ideal for filtering waste oil. This is the Mackie vibrating sieve. This machine uses strong 3D vibratory action and a series of screens to sieve the product through. Filtering up to 15 cubic meters per hour, the vibrating sieve is a fully automated process. Overhead contamination greater than 300 microns is separated, while product less than 300 microns can travel through the screen. These sieves transmit no vibrations through their base and need no additional structures required, allowing for a speedy and simple install. Filter up to 5 stages continuously in just one operation. To find out more, visit rotajetsystems.com or search Rotajet vibrating sieves.